Welcome back to another Dollar Tree haul. I have lots to share with you guys. Lots of like Christmas kind of gift ideas and stocking stuffers, things like that. To get started, we'll always start with the boring stuff. So I got some Scrub Buddies, nail guard sponges, finally the 6-packs again. I got an LA's Totally Awesome 2-in-1 laundry detergent. This has the fabric softener in it and the fresh scent. I like that one. An Assured brand all day pain relief. I like those a lot. They do work and they are comparable to Leave, which I can completely stand by. They are. You get 15 for $1 though. Good Sense handle bags. These are my favorite garbage bags from them. I got a Scrub Buddies wet sweeper cloth refill. There's 10 in here. Love those. Got a 40-foot foil. Love that for the kitchen. Toilet paper. I got a Breezy Floral Bouquet 55 count fabric sheets. I got a AA battery, a AAA battery. I got a pack of lighters, and also in the like the tool kind of section, I got these zip ties. So there's like 30 in there. Yeah, 30. That's a good find. Another day, John, my husband, needed some of zip ties and we don't have any, so I grabbed those for him. And also in the aisle I found 2 pairs of safety gloves, and these are the ones that have the PVC dotted palm for extra grip. And I got one for John actually and one for my papa. They're in a lot of wood lumber back and forth, so I thought this would be good for that, so I grabbed 2 of those. I almost forgot to mention that I got a Palm Olive Soft Touch Almond Milk and Blueberry Scented dish soap. I always repurchase this one. I love it. One other thing I'm not going to be able to fit in the entirety of the frame is I had got a new broom. Well, I got a couple food kind of related items. I got these unicorn poop marshmallows. I just thought that was cute, and I thought Connor would like that. He likes marshmallows. And I need this for an upcoming recipe I'm going to do for you guys, so stay tuned for that. And it's just sweetened fancy flaked coconut. And 7 ounces for $1. Honestly, you can't beat that, and it feels pretty fresh. And I bet it's good quality too, so I got that. And then I found more of these create your own poster sets. Today I found the 14 poster set with the markers and stuff of Ariel, and I was so stoked about that one. I found Minnie Mouse as well, so I grabbed one Minnie Mouse. They had several of those and they only had one Ariel, but I have several little girls and other little boys to buy for as well, so I've been like putting back stuff from the Dollar Tree and stuff to add with bigger gifts for them. And so this is just a couple other items. There is a 1-year-old girl also, so I just thought I would put this in her bag as well. It's a cute little baby. I got 2 of the bath animal sets, so I got this set and this one. But one's going to go for a boy because he's only 1 as well, and this is going to go for the 1-year-old girl. The rest of the children are pretty, you know, they're up there, they're older. And then this is for you know who's stocking, and it's a magic towel, and he's really into them right now. I won't say who they are, but you get the gist. This is for his stocking. And I needed some name tags, this long line of Christmas stuff, so I got the 60-pack, and I just love these. They're so adorable. They had a 100-pack as well, but I like these ones, so I just grabbed these. And if I need more later on, I will grab another pack. And I picked up 2 more papers. Connor picked the Santa Claus because I asked him what would he want to wrap, like Aiden's gift in, Colton's gift, Aaron's gift in, and he liked this Santa Claus one, so we got that one. And then I just love this one with the little sweaters and the hats and the earmuffs and the gloves and socks. There's a scarf on there. This one's adorable to me, and this would go for, you know, maybe more adult gifts or even the kids too. I'm probably going to wrap some of Connor's in that as well, so that makes me 4 rolls of paper plus whatever I have left over hidden back in the closet as well. So I got these items. Well, I got 2 storage containers. I got this dry erase kind of basket. It's the larger one, but I got this for my new washer. We got a new washer and dryer, and I just wanted to have something to grab and have all my stuff in there and move it from the top of the washer if need be. you know, obviously, move it to the dryer, whatever. I just wanted this. Got it in red. I'm a big fan of red lately. Have been actually for a while. And then I got this one here. It's got a top like this. And I got that for Connor's Roblox because he has several of those men and little ladies. And he don't always keep them together. They come apart in pieces, kind of like the Lego men. So I thought I would just throw them all in here because I know what Santa's bringing him. So he's going to need a bigger container. He's really into those Roblox. I almost forgot to show this with the Christmas stuff, but Connor gets this cute little flip straw winter cup. He picked this one out. It's really cute. Hopefully it doesn't leak very badly around the top, so we can like carry it with us. And stuff that I buy all the time in the beauty aisle is like cosmetic wedges. I picked up another one of these LA Colors highlighter in a Wild Child. You have to stay tuned to why I bought another one of those. I picked up another vanilla and coconut bath bombs. I love the 3-pack. Connor loves these. They're from Spa Naturals, and they work great. I did find some Yes products, and I did state in the past I will no longer be purchasing Yes wipes, and I haven't purchased any of those. But I did find the mask, so I decided to try the powder to clay mask in the ultra hydrating coconut one, and the Yes to cotton mask. It's a mud mask. So we shall see. They had a bunch, but I didn't want to take much of a chance because I did have skin irritations from the wipes. I picked up 2 nail polishes. This is a beautiful, like, burgundy red shade. Dazzleberry. That's some new ones. It's 122. So, and this one is called Blushing Gold, and it is a rose gold. Very beautiful. 121. Randomly, I got 2 more notebooks. Not that I needed them, but I just am in love with list notebooks. And this one says Just Saying. And I say that a lot. I'm like, I'm just saying, you guys, you know. So, yeah. I picked up that one. And I picked up No Problem Llama. And the pages look like this. Love, 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 love. I thought I would write video ideas and requests and things like that in there. I got those. I was really happy with like my finds today. And of course I say the last favorite finds, best finds of all time for last. Last but not least, my favorite finds of the day. My Dollar Tree has never had Bolero products. They've never carried anything from Bolero unless it might have been sold out before I happened to get there. But to my knowledge, no. I found my stuff at Family Dollar. But today, I found they had 1 pack of these left. The cranberry and sweet orange bath bombs, 3-pack. Grab those. Because I love their wipes so much and can't find them, I picked up 3 of these. There was 4 on the shelf. I left 1. Because I'm not a shelf clearer, but I almost was today with these wipes. They are 30 count wipes. They're so nice. Super saturated, moisturizing, all that. And super cleansing. So I got coconut cream and vanilla. It's the only scent they had. I picked up 3, like I said. Also, they have face, skin, and hair coconut cream and vanilla body oil. Picked that up as well to try. And I was super stoked about finding the body wash in the coconut cream and vanilla. So I will let you guys know if you want any kind of reviews anytime on any product you see. Doesn't matter if it's a makeup product, beauty product, household product, let me know. If you see it's a Dollar Tree, let me know also. I'll be on the look for that as well to do review on. Let me know about products in the comments that you guys want to see reviewed and things like that. That's what I'm trying to say. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. Sorry that you can hear the dog eating in the background. You may or may not be able to hear that, but he is chowing down. And thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more hauls, reviews, cooking videos, makeup tutorials, all that good jazz. Check the description box as always for tons of additional Dollar Tree links. Don't forget to ring the bell, subscribe, and like the video if you haven't already. Thank you guys again for watching.